Adding or expanding services. January 2023 SheFirecracker podcast audiocast. Here we are in the new year, and business has started to return to normal again after the holidays. And this month we're discussing adding or expanding services. Adding or expanding services to your list of what you already offer. Perhaps you want to add an additional service, perhaps you want to expand on a complementary service to add. So, for example, someone who's a web designer might offer regular maintenance of your website, taking it off your hands so you don't have to worry about maintaining your website, making sure that it's functioning properly and up and running so you don't lose potential customers. Maybe they add web hosting. Someone who is a financial advisor, maybe they add, financial planning services to it, with sit down and help you make a monthly budget. These are just examples. Having worked as a virtual assistant, we did add extra services and programs that we didn't know how to use, newsletter programs, software, additional services such as, editing copy or editing audios or uploading them to people's social media or their YouTube or such. So these are ways of you can add extra services to add more of what you offer to your current clients or clients who have special needs. Some clients needed, a mail out sent for them. Some clients needed proofreading. Some clients needed assistance with newsletters. So this would be an example. What services can you add or expand on in your business